Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2020 Outdoors RV. This is a Blackstone 27 RLS in the Mountain Series Decor package. 4-season travel trailer built on a cambered frame with off-road suspension. The Boondocker's Dream RV. It's got this fiberglass cap on the front that wraps around. You can see it comes back 4 inches into the trailer. It's got rhino coating, it's got diamond shield. That's 3 layers of protection to protect your RV in its most vulnerable spot. Oversized compartments that will accept 48-quart coolers, rubber diamond shield inside, battery disconnect, cargo light, has your tools mounted on the wall, and it's all finished off in here. 1-inch thick doors with slam latches and magnetic fasteners. Down the side you see it has a big awning, power awning, with LED light rope behind, awning protector, so if you are off-road, tree branches aren't going to get the better of you on that awning. Has a support right here in the middle. We also have alloy wheels, shock absorber suspension, and Goodyear tires. Yep, off-road is the name of the game with Outdoors RV, and you can camp in any kind of climate. Whether you're in Arizona or Alaska, you're going to be cozy. Has a shower here in the back. It's also got the heavily insulated door. The bumpers, notice how they rhino coat that as well. Has a receiver hitch so you can bring the bicycles along. Spare tire, all LED lights, walk-on roof, man ladder I call it, but not afraid to climb on that. You're not worrying about it breaking off in your hands. And these are, of course, walk-on roof. It's 5 inches thick, so even your slide-out floors, they're laminated too. That way you have insulation on the floor where most trailers you don't. It's just a piece of plywood with some Darko wrapped on it. Let's go take a look at the inside. This is like a fifth wheel floor plan, and I'll show you why. There's the model and us and where they're made. We'll step inside, and classic rear living floor plan. You got the 2 chairs, the big windows. If you backed into your RV space, you're going to have your recreation view out these nice windows. All LED lights, as you can see, they're recessed. Nice dovetailed cabinets. We have a big slide out in this trailer. It features a sofa bed. The dinette with this super well constructed table. You can drop that down and make guest sleeping out of it. There's guest sleeping with the sofa. There's storage underneath. And you got extra thick cushions so they don't get all flattened out from use. The kitchen right behind me. Check out this galley area. Solid surface countertops that are 37 inches high, just like your house. They call this the farmer sink. It's a one big stainless steel sink. Gooseneck, or not a gooseneck, but a flex hose faucet. Got a window right here for meal prep. Big oven. This is super bonus. If you're gonna bake, you like to bake bread, you're not gonna burn it in this one. 3-burner stove, built-in knife rack with backsplash. Exhaust hood, microwave, and we've got Norcold refrigerator freezer here. Jensen TV, Furrion receiver with CD DVD player. We got storage galorage. Door number 1, door number 2. Let's take door number 2, the bathroom, which also goes through the bedroom, but I'll give you the other view as well. We walk into the bedroom, and there's why I call it a fifth wheel floor plan. You got a slide out in the bedroom that allows you to put the bed in sideways, but look at all the room. You don't have to side crab shuffle to get into bed in these. They even have plug-ins on the sides. There's both a standard plug-in and USB. You've got reading lights up above that can be turned on his or hers, so you're not annoying your spouse. They're trying to sleep. Day-night shades, and even the mattress. You don't get a cheap Chinese mattress. It's a nice pillow top. Your own door to come back and forth if you want to use the bathroom. You don't have to traipse through the whole trailer. Spot for another TV. Great bonus storage here. A window seat by a window, and this super bonus fifth wheel style storage up front. There's even side storage over here with drawers, and over here, I guess I'll have to close that first. Same setup. Yeah, we got our drawers here too. And remember, this is all compartment basement compartment storage there. And I'm going to guess we got, yep, storage underneath the window seat. So it's a 4-season rear living floor plan that is unique, as it has 2 slides, and it's very similar to a 5th wheel floor plan without the stairs. And it's designed to go off-road and designed to keep you cozy no matter what climate. And it's right here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay. See us on the web, www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com in Coos Bay.